Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer money from Chime to Capital One. This is easy. The first step we need to do is open our Chime app and then we're gonna click move money. Here, once we click this button, we can see all these options right here. We need to click this option called transfer from other banks. We're gonna click this right here and then right here we're gonna link our external bank account right here. And then we're gonna click continue and we're gonna select Capital One, and then we're gonna add our plate account to move the money. When we need to create an account in Capital One to add this all information. In this case, we need to use our username in Capital One and our password in Capital One. Right here, we're gonna click submit, and then we're gonna continue to um, add to bank. Then we're gonna click confirm, and right here you can change uh, this. Okay, you can change this for send the money with Chime to Capital One. In this case, we are sending to Capital One to Chime, but if you click this button, the process will be inverted right here. As you can see, this is really easy. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.